All right, so I'm going to draw this back of the car at the top of the car. And to do that, I'm going to use the radius, but I also need to use this measurement, which tells us where to end it over here. And the most important and sneaky dimension that's useful here is the one right by this wheel. With this one that I'm putting in a box is the center of that circle. And so we need to find that center first, make the circle, and then decide where the circle needs to end. So first what I'm going to do is go to my bumper, and I'm going to find where the center of that circle is by making a line right in front of this back wheel, 1.264 in length. And so now I'm even going to make a small line upwards. It doesn't matter what length it is, but that just allows me to find that intersection very easily. Next, I'm going to get the circle tool, and I'll put the center right there. And the radius is 10.329. So now it's hitting the back bumper in a good spot, but I don't know where the front of the circle should end. So now I'm going to get a line. Again, it doesn't matter where this line is, as long as it is above the car. So I'm going to go up here, and then I'm going to go over 22.698 meters. And that way I can get over to this distance and then drop down before I cut off that circle. So then I'll go straight down just until I intersect the circle. And now I have two intersections to trim. So if I just do the trim tool, I can start doing piece by piece. But if I highlight, the only the shapes that intersect that I want to trim on, so the vertical, the horizontal, and the circle, and then I press trim, then it'll ignore all these little intersections here, and I can just click that one part that I want to trim, press enter to keep it, and now I have the arc of the top of the car.